Want to make Christmas treats that are ridiculously easy, totally festive, and absolutely delicious? Today, I'm showing you marshmallow snacks that'll wow your family and friends. No baking skills required. Let's get started. 1. Peppermint Hot Chocolate Marshmallow Pops. First up, these adorable peppermint pops. Perfect for stirring into hot cocoa. Ingredients: large marshmallows, semi-sweet chocolate chips, crushed peppermint candies, lollipop sticks. Instructions: melt your chocolate, dip marshmallows halfway, then roll in crushed peppermint. Insert a stick and let them set. These make the cutest gifts. 2. Snowman Marshmallow Treats. How cute are these little snowmen? Kids absolutely love making these. Ingredients: large marshmallows, pretzel sticks, chocolate chips, candy corn, fruit leather, toothpicks, M&Ms or mini chocolate chips. Instructions: stack 2 marshmallows with a toothpick, add chocolate chip eyes and a candy corn nose, then tie on a fruit leather scarf. Simple and adorable. 3. Marshmallow Snowballs. Coconut lovers, this one's for you! These taste like winter wonderland. Ingredients: large marshmallows, shredded coconut, white chocolate. Instructions: roll the marshmallows into a ball shape prior to dipping. Run shredded coconut through food processor to make more powder-like. Sprinkle over top of the marshmallow. 4. Marshmallow Reindeer. Rudolph would definitely approve of these cuties. These are perfect to let the kids help make. Lay out the candy pieces and let the kids decorate their own. Ingredients: large marshmallows, pretzels, chocolate chips, red M&Ms. Instructions: attach pretzel antlers, add chocolate chip eyes, and finish with a red M&M nose. So easy and perfect for holidays. 5. Holiday Fruit and Marshmallow Skewers. Want something a little lighter? These colorful skewers are festive and refreshing. Ingredients: grapes, strawberries, pineapple, blueberries, mini marshmallows, skewers, melted chocolate, optional. Instructions: cut fruit into bite-sized pieces, alternate fruit and marshmallows on skewers, then drizzle with chocolate if you want. Red, white, and blue. So festive! 6. Marshmallow and chocolate-covered pretzels. Finally, a perfect salty-sweet combo. Ingredients: pretzels, melted chocolate, white, dark, or milk, mini marshmallows, crushed candy canes or sprinkles. Instructions: dip pretzels in melted chocolate, press a mini marshmallow on top, add your favorite toppings, and let them set. These are seriously addictive. 7. Chocolate-covered snowman. These adorable chocolate-covered snowmen are the perfect no-bake treat for winter parties, holiday dessert tables, or fun family projects with the kids. Made with simple ingredients and dipped in smooth chocolate, they're as cute as they are delicious. Ingredients: chocolate-dipped marshmallow, Rolo hat, Hershey Kiss hat, pretzel, fruit strip scarf, mini chocolate chip face, mini orange M&M. To make them, start by dipping a marshmallow into melted chocolate, then gently place a second marshmallow on top to form your snowman shape. Add pretzel sticks for arms, mini chocolate chips for the eyes and mouth, and a mini orange M&M for the nose. For the hat, press a chocolate Rolo or a Hershey's Kiss on top while the chocolate is still soft so it sticks perfectly. Finish your snowman with a colorful fruit strip or gummy candy scarf for a sweet pop of color. These festive treats come together quickly and are guaranteed to bring smiles to everyone who sees them. They're a great edible craft for kids and make a charming addition to any holiday celebration. 8. Chocolate-dipped marshmallows with candy canes. These chocolate-dipped marshmallows with candy canes are a quick, festive, and kid-approved holiday treat that adds instant cheer to any dessert tray. With minimal ingredients and maximum holiday flair, they're perfect for parties, gift boxes, hot chocolate toppers, or easy edible crafts. Ingredients: dip a large marshmallow halfway into chocolate, or fully if you like. Add Christmas sprinkles. Add mini or large candy canes. To make them, Simply dip large marshmallows halfway into melted chocolate, or fully coat them if you prefer an extra chocolatey bite. Sprinkle on your favorite Christmas sprinkles while the chocolate is still warm so they stick beautifully. Finish by attaching a mini or full-sized candy cane for a fun handle that makes these treats easy to hold and even easier to enjoy. These marshmallow pops are colorful, tasty, and ready in minutes. Ideal for anyone looking to whip up a festive holiday sweet with no fuss. There you have it! Amazing marshmallow treats that'll make your Christmas extra special. Whether you're making them with kids, giving them as gifts, or just treating yourself, these recipes are fun, festive, and totally customizable. Try one, try them all, and let me know which is your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves easy holiday treats. Happy holidays and happy snacking!